Yo, what is up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you the best free way to make YouTube channel art in 2020. Let's get right into it. So the first thing we want to do is go to a wonderful website called canva.com. So what this is it's a design website to where you can make a bunch of awesome cool designs for Instagram, Facebook. You can make, well, here, let's just take a look here. Logos, CD covers, videos, posters, Facebook posts, infographics, brochures, resumes, blog banners, and awesome stuff like that. So all we have to do here, click on create a design, click on YouTube channel art, and here we go. So to make a cool channel art, here's what you want to do. Click on background, and what Canva will do, it'll open up their template of a lot, as you can see here, so many, a lot of awesome backgrounds. Now all of these are not free, but most of them are. There's a few, I'm pretty sure there's a few in here that are not free, but like I said, most of them are. So we're just gonna click on one that looks pretty cool. Let's see here. We're gonna go for a rave style. So it'll load that, and what you do, let's see here, go to text on the left side here. You're going to add your heading and just whatever you want to type here. That's all up to you. But for me, I'm personally going to type in my name. Let's see here. And then I'm going to go to font. I'm going to up this up to probably about 160, maybe a little bit bigger than that, maybe 220. Yeah, that'll work. So yeah, about 220. Get this aligned in the middle here a little bit. All right, we're going to. First of all, I don't really want this font. So all we have to do, if you don't want the font, they also have a numerous amount of fonts you can choose from. I think for this, we're gonna go with. No, that won't work. Yeah, so I mean that's pretty cool, right? So let's see. We'll go wide on this. And we're going to make this text look cooler. So we're gonna go to duplicate. Turn that down a little bit. And for this one, we're gonna make it let's see, some background colors here. We'll try pink. Let's see here, we'll try pink. So what we're gonna do is move this text up, hover it over the original text. You're going to click on position right here, click backwards. So now when you do this, there you go. You just move this slightly to the side. And look at that, it pops up, it makes it look so much better. See, that right there looks, I think that right there looks twice as good as it did before. It has a 3D style text effect. And then, let's see, I guess for channel art, you know, it's all up to you. But another awesome thing you can do here is they actually have on the side, they have a elements tab, which provides a lot of different pictures. So here, let's see. I'm gonna click on Twitter. So we're going to add our actual social medias to this. Let's see here. Yep. And then we'll click add a heading. And for me, it's gonna be fear cat music. We're gonna move this down. It's a lot too big. It's way too big right here. So we're gonna go to maybe 56. I think it looks pretty good. Fear Cat Music, yep. That's gonna be the Twitter, and then we're gonna go to, let's see here. We can go to Twitch. Oh, my bad. We'll go to Elements right here. And go over to Twitch. And we're also just going to add another logo here. I think I might be making the logos a little bit too big, so let's change this around a bit. See here. Alright, so perfect. That'll work. Move this up. Move this one up too. It looks a little bit clunky, but I think it works fine. So we're gonna go over to text. On this one, it's gonna be Fear Cat. Sorry, my bad. We're gonna add a heading here. Go to Fear Cat 1. We're just gonna add this here. And for this, I used the font 56. We're gonna add that again. There we go. So there you go. I'm gonna add Fear Cat 1. And then we're going to add, for the last one, we're gonna add, we'll add Instagram. And for this one, it's gonna be the same thing for me. So we're gonna go over here. This one looks a little pixelated. Yeah, I don't really like that one right there. So let's see. Click on that. Makes this a little bit smaller. All right, perfect. And then again, you just do it again. You go over, and for my Instagram, it's gonna be Fear Cat. That's all we have to do. Again, move it down. Change the font size to 58 or 56. Move this down. That's perfect. And there's even room for one more, but I think that looks good. But yeah, I mean, there's even room for one more if y'all want to make, you know, you can mess around with the sizes of the images, the names, all that fun stuff. So I think right here, I think that's a pretty cool channel art. You know, it's another thing though I'd like to mention is you can upload your own photos here. For example, this is my profile picture right now. See, I could add this cat to it. Yeah, I could add this cat. I'm not going to do that because it doesn't look good here, but you know, yeah. So I can add cats to it. I can add whatever I want. So you just gotta upload the image right here. And yeah, I got a ton of cool stuff there. All right, and so yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. But I think to level it out some, since we're not going to be doing that, move this over a little bit. Cool. Here's what we're gonna do here. We're actually going to make the font size bigger, so we have more to mess around. Or you know what I mean? It looks more. It actually covers the entire bottom and looks more like a channel art. So let's see here. Okay, so we're gonna go to 80. We're gonna change all this up to 80. I'm gonna delete this one right now. So for this one, we might have to put it down to, let's see. I'm gonna delete that one. We're gonna go over back to text. Go at Fear Cat Music. And for this one, we're gonna change it down to 72. So this one's gonna be a little bit smaller than the prior ones. Let's move it over here. Move all this over. Perfect. That is perfect. I think that looks really nice. So all we have to do, go to download, and PNG is going to be your best bet here. So we're just going to go and download on PNG. And I'm going to show you how to upload it now. So just go and save that. Exit off this. Okay. So now we have this. Awesome, awesome. All right, so finally, we're going to go over to our YouTube channel. Sorry about that. We're gonna go over to our YouTube channel, and we're gonna go to customize channel. Or, I'm sorry, we're gonna go up to this right here, the little camera. Select photo from your computer. This is the Fearcat 3. Okay, and uploading. All right, so now it shows you how it's going to look on the desktop, TV, and mobile. So now, this is what it shows. On desktop, that's what it's going to show. Excuse me there. So yeah. And then, again, so yeah, if you want to change the crop, you can. And it really, it just depends. It's all up to you. You know, that's the beauty in this, right? You get to choose how you want all this to go. So yeah, you just keep clicking off it here. So yeah, there's also an auto enhance feature, which we're not really gonna mess around with today. But yeah, I think it looks awesome. And that's how you make a YouTube channel art. That is the easiest. It's free. It's a free way of doing it. It's a very easy way. And yeah, if you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.